Mumbi. We're finally here. It's been a long journey. It's been a lot of planning. I could not ask for a better partner to be by my side throughout all of this. You inspire me every day to be a better man, to be a better person, to be a better partner. And this trip has already meant so much to me and my family, and today is going to really tie it all together and bring all of our families together. And I can't wait to see you dancing today, to see you enjoy and love, surrounded by family, surrounded by friends. And you deserve all of this. You're the inspiration for all of this. And I love you more than anything in the world.
When the sky goes dark and you hear the thunder and you're standing up, instead of running for cover, and there's a new dawn coming over the water, seeing we're the ones, knowing there's no other.
I am so excited for today, getting married to my best friend, Collin Harris.
Would you be the most?
I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with him. We met in Oregon. Our love for nature, animals, and adventure has glued us together. And I'm so excited to share this moment with him and his family and my family, and officially having the two families join together and be one. And I love you, Collin, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Loosen in the ties and everything we're fighting. Let it go, letting it all go. Always have a reason for something to believe in. You never know.
It's been 6 years that I've been with Faith now, and we've been on a pretty adventurous and life-affirming journey so far. And it was really important for us to come back to Kenya to honor the culture, the tradition, and her family by having a traditional ratio ceremony. And I'm just incredibly moved by the entire experience, and I can't wait to see how our journey continues to unfold together.